Step 1, get ready. Step 2, get your big flat brush and your medium round brush. Step 3, get your white, blue, magenta, ochre, and green. Step 4. That's a lot of steps. Big brush, lots of white, little bit of blue. What do we get? We get light blue. And then we just streak it on. Crazy, be crazy. And then stop. And rinse your brush. White. And this away streak. Don't go into that blue too much. We're just covering it. We gotta let it dry. More white, a little bit of pink. And then we streak. We streak up, 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 kind of up, up. Let it just be streaky. And then it has to dry again. I'm sorry. I have a clean brush, and now I'm gonna grab a little bit of green, big scoop of the ochre, and some white. So we're gonna add some more kind of streakies in, but they're a little bit different because they're planty this time. Big brush, and I'm gonna hold it up and down like this. Because sometimes I'm a line, sometimes I'm a dabby dab line. See how I push harder to get the blobbies, but I'm still holding it up and down. Sometimes I'm a little line, sometimes I'm a big line. Sometimes I'm a blobby, blob, blob, blob. Sometimes I'm a blob, sometimes I'm a blob, sometimes I'm a line. Line, blob, 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 blob. Sometimes I'm a long line. Sometimes I'm a blob, blob, blob. Blob, blob, blob. Sometimes I'm a straight line with a blob, 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 blob. Sometimes I'm a little blob. Keep that color, but add a big old scoop of green. More planty streakies in front with this darker green. These are closer, they're blobbier. Remember, I just push harder to get a bigger blob. Blob, blob, blob. Blob, blob. But sometimes I'm a line. Blob, blob. Choo, choo. Blob, 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 blob. Bloop, 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 bloop. Blob, blob, blob. Bloop, bloop, bloop. And then let it dry. And rinse your brush. I'm going to use a little piece of chalk to make circles where I want my flowers to go. And a medium one right here. And a mediumer one right here. It's hard to see. And a little one right here. Get your round brush. Dark purple. Ooh. A big scoop of my magenta. A half scoop of my blue. Like a burgundy. And some of my ochre color. Little scoops for the bottoms of the tops. This is the bottom of the top here. Here's facing right here. Oh, look, he's so cute. Oh, so cute. We're going to turn them into little gumdrops. Gumdrop. Gumdrop. Big gumdrop. Fill in those little gumdrop shapes with dab, dab, dabs. Dab. Add more pink to your gumdrop color. Bloop, 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 bloop. That's going to be our base petal layer color. It's like a little umbrella. One side, bloop, just push pulling, push pull. And then the middle, big push pull, 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 push, pull. Little tiny push pulls. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Rinse your brush and then make a medium pink. White and some pink, and let's see where it gets us. Add another layer of petals. Same thing right on top of the dark ones. Push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull, push, pull. Push, pull. Push, pull. Rinse again, lots more white. Same thing, way less. One, push, pull, push, pull. Stop and rinse your brush. Look at how pretty that's looking. Ah, it's so pretty. Ochre color. Dab, dab, dab. Dab, 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 dab. Scrapey the brush. Get some white. Same thing, but less. And try to get it just on the top. On the top. Stem time. The harder you push, the thicker your line. Ooh. Maybe some leaves. Blurp, 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 blurp. I think we're done. Are we done? I like it.